Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to check your watch history in Twitter. First, open your Twitter. Once you've done that, click the profile icon at the top left corner. There are a few options here. From these options, click Profile. You'll then want to tap on Tweets and Replies. Here, you'll be able to see all the tweets and replies you've made. If these aren't enough for you, I've got a simple solution. Click on your profile again and tap on Settings and Support. The section will provide you with more options. From those options, click on Help Center. This is where you can find assistance on anything you need. You can report to Twitter and ask them to make a history option. If enough people report to Twitter about this, they may add an option in the next update. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.